time speech about martial arts from Patpit War Martial Arts. Uh, the question number one is, what is the historical significance of armies in the Philippines and how they evolved during the Spanish colonial period? This is my answer about my number one. Arnis surfaced from the colonial experience with a relevancy so strong that it evolved as a modern 78 martial arts, encompassing the dignity and historical residence of the Philippines. It is now held and celebrated internationally as the defining element of the Philippine heritage. Uh, this is the suppression and survival regime. Spanish colonial prepared the exercise and native martial arts in near and oppressing Filipino practice arms techniques in mirth, cultural dance performance, and religious ritual incorporation of the Europe fencing. Arnis was influenced by Spanish fencing, which introduced techniques such as footwork, thrusting, and defense. This fusion of native technique with Spanish combat style and martial art uh, involved often involved in training method. Blade weapon was made right with rotor stick for training. Training system become more systematic, passing knowledge throughout secret family tradition as fact by community rates. And this is and Filipino Revolution used armies during the oppression against Spanish leader like Lapu-Lapu thought perfecting the Spanish colonial value became symbol of Filipino martial art, power and resilience. And question number two is, what are the key principles and techniques of armies and how do they reflect on cultural values of the Filipino people? And this is my answer about number two. Uh, the most important principle and techniques in armies are reflect of the Filipino values such as readiness, adaptability, respect, and community. These features are the play in martial arts training and practice by Filipino. This is key of armies survival of adaptability, of continuous learning, respect and discipline, unity and brotherhood, like bayanihan. And key of technique of armies is striking or fighting, blocking, blocking or defense movement, disarming or footwork movement, lock and hold. This is the number three question about the martial arts. Um, in what way has arms been perceived and promoted in contemporary Filipino society, and what roles does it play in cultural heritage? This is my answer from number three question is, truth and integration into education, global representation, and recognition as a national symbol. Armies play a central role as preserving Filipino cultural heritage while involving a dynamic martial art for future generations. And this is prevention and promoting martial art. Official recognition in 2009, RMS was declared the, the Philippine National Martial Art and Sport Republic Act number of 1950 ensured government support in promoting and education and symbol awareness are taught in physical education like PE classes across the country. Compulsively an event, the Filipino National Games, an event by organization like National Armies, and the competition future awareness competition, international competition, awareness and showcase global tournaments such the South Asian Games, cultural festival performance, and media and pop culture. Major culture, Filipino international film, documents, and TV show, and have cultural awareness, currently increasing possibility or video games and action film option incorporate awareness, inspire and combat success. This is number 6, Global Arts Organization, local global arts, national or world excellent, Kali awareness, preservation, and again, this is my last of my topic about martial art. And thank you and like and subscribe and bye bye.